How to change your name on Fire Kirin. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change your username. First of all, open the application. Now here on the left top, you can see a profile icon. Simply tap on the profile icon. So this is the place where you can edit your profile name. Here on the bottom, you'll be able to see a small edit icon. Tap on this edit icon. So this is the place where you can edit the profile. Now you can keep any of the name that is available here. So here I'm keeping a name, and after that simply tap on save. After this the name will be completely saved and the profile will be saved too. Now if you go back, your friends and other players will be able to view as the same name that you just saved in the game. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.